Home security starts at your front door. Ring Video Doorbell alerts you whenever someone steps onto your property. Ring puts home security in your hands. See who's there from anywhere.
The things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.
Hi, I'm Neil, Arlo Product Manager, and today I'm going to show you how to install your new Arlo Video Doorbell. To give you an idea of what to expect during the installation process, we'll show you how to install the power kit, video doorbell, and then complete setup on the Arlo app. You'll need to find where your existing doorbell chime and your breaker or fuse box are located before beginning the process. Some tools you might need for installation, depending on your home setup, are a Phillips head screwdriver, a ladder to reach your chime box, tape to secure your wires to the wall during installation, and if you need to drill new holes for the doorbell, you'll need a power drill and a 6mm size drill bit if you are installing with anchors. You'll need to download the Arlo app to your phone or tablet. Create an Arlo account if you are a new user, or log into your existing Arlo account if you already have one. Once you have signed into the app, select Add New Device. Choose Arlo Doorbell and Chime, then select the Arlo Video Doorbell. Let's get started with the installation. First, we need to install the power kit. You'll need to find your existing chime box. Chime boxes are commonly mounted on the wall, near the front door or in a hallway. If you can't find the chime box, try ringing the doorbell and following the sound to locate it. Next, turn off the power at the breaker or fuse box. Make sure there is no power to your chime box and doorbell. Try ringing the doorbell again to confirm the power is off. Now that the power is off, we can remove the cover of the chime box. Chime box configurations may vary, so follow the prompts based on your configuration in order to determine the proper terminals to attach the power kit to. First, connect the power kit wires to the terminals in your chime box as prompted by the Arlo app, and tighten the screws. Make sure the existing chime wires are still connected to the terminals. The colors of the existing wires may vary. Use the illustration in the app to confirm that the power kit is wired correctly. When you're done, the wiring should appear as pictured in the app. Next, peel off the adhesive film from the back of the power kit and place the power kit inside or on the outside of the box. For best placement, try to place it in a location where the power kit and its wires won't interfere with the operation of your chime. Spots to avoid are marked by an X, as shown in the app. Replace the chime cover once complete. Now, we're going to replace your existing doorbell with the Arlo Video Doorbell. First, unscrew your old doorbell and disconnect the wires. Be careful that the wires don't fall back into the wall. It's a good idea to tape them to the wall to ensure that they stay in place. Use the release pin to detach the mounting plate from the rear of the video doorbell by pressing through the bottom release hole. We will show you how to install with the flat mounting plate, but depending on where your video doorbell is located, you may want to use the angled mounting plate for an optimal view. Position the mounting plate on the wall, keeping the wires and hole positioned toward the bottom of the mounting plate, as shown. You may need to drill new holes for the mounting plate if your existing wired doorbell's holes were in a different location. Secure the mounting plate to the wall using the included screws. Connect the wires from the wall to your Arlo Video Doorbell. Either wire can connect to either terminal. Wrap the wires behind the screws and then screw them tight. Once the wires have been connected and screwed in, snap the doorbell onto the mounting plate with an up and in motion. Now you can turn the power back on. The light on the front of the doorbell will turn solid white. Tap Continue on the Arlo app to continue setup. Your phone will need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your video doorbell. Press the doorbell button to start the sync. the LED on the front of the doorbell will flash white. Hold the QR code in front of your Arlo Video Doorbell. The QR code should be around 8 inches in front of the doorbell, and you will hear a chime. Create a unique name for your video doorbell that will help you identify it later. Once your video doorbell has been found, it will search for any available firmware updates. Next, test your chime by following the prompts. After the doorbell is installed, select Continue. The app will prompt you to set up Arlo Smart. Arlo Video Doorbell includes a 3-month trial of Arlo Smart, a subscription-based service you can add to your Arlo devices to deliver personalized notifications of events that matter. It even allows you to take quick action, like phone a friend or sound an alarm from your notification panel. Receive personalized alerts that tell you if a package, person, vehicle, or even animal is in view. Easily create custom activity zones to pick up motion only in important areas, like your front door or driveway. Plus, Arlo Smart stores your recorded clips for up to 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with the authorities, neighbors, or family. Congratulations! Your Arlo Video Doorbell is now active. Press Finish and you're ready to enjoy greater peace of mind with Arlo Video Doorbell.